Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Talent Fuse. It's Thursday and you know what that means? A new UI UX design case study. Each week I break down one of my real world projects to inspire you and show you that if I can do this, so can you. Before we dive in, if you are passionate about design and want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to Talent Fuse and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future design breakdowns. Today we are exploring a landing page I designed for my client Phil. Phil is a travel content creator with a powerful mission to show you the real world and encourage you not to just trust the media to travel anyway. I saw the amazing work he was doing on his YouTube channel and thought, why not design a website that truly captures his adventurous spirit? So I did, and he absolutely loved the design. Alright, let's dive into the design. This is the hero section, the first thing a visitor sees. At the very top, a clean navigation bar, on the left his logo, on the right the menu items, a primary CTA button and his social icons. Making his social profiles accessible right here is crucial for growing his community. The hero text is bold and clear. Phil's guide to the world, see the planet for yourself. It immediately communicates his value, and right below it a strong contrasting call to action. In any design or business, you must tell the user what to do next. A clear CTA is non-negotiable. On the right, you see this large stylized logo and a horizontal scrolling video slider. I added arrow controls so users can easily explore his top adventures without even scrolling down. This immediately engaged them with his best content. As we scroll down, we hit the About Us section. Here we have a powerful H1 headline, another strategic CTA, and a container with Phil's picture on one side and his story on the other side. This builds trust and connection. You will notice I have placed CTAs throughout the page. Why? Because we are guiding the user on a journey and constantly giving them opportunities to take action, whether it's to watch a video, read more, or contact him. I have a question for you. See the style of the CTA button. If you watched my video on UI element button, let me know in the comment what you think this button type is called. It's a great way to test your UI knowledge. Next up, we have a section dedicated to his featured videos. This is where we showcase his core content and keep visitors on the site longer. Now you have probably noticed this little guy throughout the design. This is Beaker, Phil's pet that he travels with anywhere. We can say he is emotionally attached to Beaker, and including him in the design adds a unique, personal and memorable brand element. It makes the site feel less corporate and more human. And finally, we have the footer, but this isn't your average boring footer. Work with Phil if you dare. How cool is that? It's a final bold CTA that perfectly matches his adventurous brand. We repeat the social icons down here for convenience, and the whole section has this cool drugged vibe that fits the travel theme perfectly. Now I have one more question for you. What was your favorite part of this design? The hero section, the use of Beaker, and the CTAs? Let me know in the comment below. And if you are a business owner or creator watching this and thinking, I need a website that tells my story this effectively, then let's talk. I design custom UI UX for businesses just like yours. Email me directly at talentfuse.design@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves design. I will see you next Thursday with another project breakdown. Take care. Allah Hafiz.